Okay, you guys, so I am finally unboxing my Gardyn Hydroponic system that I got for Christmas, and I wanted to show the whole process while I put it together. So I'm just taking everything out right now and laying it out so that I can see exactly what comes with it before I start assembling anything. If you've never heard of a garden, it's an indoor hydroponic garden, which means the plants grow without soil. Instead, they grow in something called rockwool, which is what holds the seeds and allows the roots to grow while staying hydrated. What I really love about this is how clean it is. No dirt, no mess, no bugs, just organized, intentional pieces that all serve a purpose. I basically wanted something that made it easier to grow food inside the house year round without it feeling so overwhelming. Now I'm starting to assemble everything, and honestly, it's way, way more straightforward than I thought it would be. One thing I learned about this system is that it actually uses two sets of LED grow lights, not just one. The lights are basically different intensities, and the plants are placed in specific pods based on how much light they need. So you don't just put plants anywhere. The system is designed so each plant gets the exact amount of light it needs to grow properly. And that is something I really appreciated because it takes the guesswork out of it. Instead of me trying to figure out what goes where, the system already knows. The plants grow vertically, the water circulates through the roots, and the LED lights mimic natural sunlight. So the plants can grow indoors no matter the season. It could be freezing outside and snowing, and you'll still be able to harvest all year round. That was important to me because I wanted something that was low maintenance but high impact. I wanted something that encouraged healthier eating and healthier living for me and my family, but still fit into my real life as a mom, wife, content creator, and nurse. I'm planning to grow herbs like basil, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme, and leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, and eventually some mini cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and things of that nature. These are the foods that we already eat, so it just kind of makes sense to grow the things that we actually use instead of, wasting things. So now I'm adding water to the reservoir. This is basically what feeds the entire system. The water circulates through the plants so that they can grow without soil. Now I'm going to plug it up so that everything can power on the pumps, the lights, and the entire smart system. These are Y pods that house the Y cubes that the seeds actually come in. As you can see, I have mini cauliflower. I have some collard greens, and I also have kale. I have a bunch of things that I'm going to be growing on here to start with. So now I'm going to download the Gardyn app, which is where all of the magic really, really happens. The system uses an AI assistant called Kelby, and Kelby basically manages the garden for you. Kelby knows when to turn the lights on and off, when to circulate the water, when the water tank is low, and when it's time to add nutrients. It even does time-lapse videos so you can actually watch your plants grow over time. So let's start it up. And look at that. I love how it lights up. I'm really excited about this because it feels like more than just a garden. It's convenience, health, education, and lifestyle all in one. The fact that the system basically takes care of itself makes it more realistic to stick with long term. I also ordered this garden toolkit, which comes with a precision pick, a smart scoop for nutrients, and a leaf trimmer, and shears for harvesting, so that when it's time to harvest, I want to make sure that I'm doing things the right way. I'll definitely be sharing updates, growth process, and how we actually use what we grow in our meals.